Hello and welcome to the Fun Locker. Previously, we have seen what are the components of Power BI and a sample demo of Power BI report. In today's session, we will see how many are the sources through which we can import the data in the Power BI tool. So let's get started. Quickly, we can see the flow of creating a report. As you can see in the diagram, there are various components which are included to create a report. First one is a Power BI desktop. The other one is a Excel sheet, or it may be any source through which we can import the data. From the source, we can import data into the Power BI desktop. There is a field called as Power Query. With the help of Power Query, we can perform some combinations, calculations on that exported data. On the imported data. Then, with the help of Power Query, we can plot data according to the requirement. And finally, we can publish this report into the Power BI service. This is a typical flow of creating a report. So, we will see in the Power BI desktop how many are the sources in the Power BI tool. So this is a Power BI canvas. At the top there is an option named as Get Data. If you can click on that option, you will get one pop-up. See, these many are the sources through which we can import data into the Power BI tool. The sources are categorized into various formats, like file format. In the file we can export data through Excel, CSV, XML, JSON format, or from the folder, from the PDF, SharePoint folder, etc. In the database, there are various databases through which we can import the data, like IBM, SQL Server, Azure, etc. In the Power BI platform, we can these many are the options through which we can import the data, like Azure, and some online services are there, like Office 365, Dynamic 365, Microsoft Exchange Online, Salesforce Object, or LinkedIn. So these many are the sources through which we can import the data. Now we will see a demo how to fetch data from CSV file. For that reason, you have to click on Get Data option, and from the Get Data, just click on Text or CSV. One pop-up will appear to select a file. I maintained a folder in D drive like this, and in this folder I have placed all the files. I just select first file and click on Open. After selecting Open, what Power BI tool does, it will import that single file, and one pop-up will appear for selection whether we want to load that file directly or we want to transform the data. So if we want to simply import the file, then we can click on Load button. If we want to transfer or perform some combinations or calculation, then we can simply click on Transform Data. For the time being, we can click on Load. It will simply load the data from the CSV file into the Power BI tool. After the loading, what the Power BI tool does, it will automatically detect the relationship and the table, and it will create the table at the right hand side in the field section. See, now Power BI tool has created one table called as Automation Summary Results Autumn 2020. The table name which contains the file name. It means the name of the table is our file name. We can see in the model section, it will automatically created a table with the column names. These many are the columns in my CSV file. If you want to check the data in the Power BI tool, just simply right click on this and click on edit query. After this, we can see the actual data from the file. This is a Power Query editor where we can actually edit some data, format any kind of data, and we can change the data types of any data. We can merge the data, we can split the data, we perform some calculation on that data in the Power BI Query editor. So just forget about this window, just give a click on close and apply. Now we have successfully imported the data. In the next video, we will see how to plot the data, how to modify the data, and how to perform calculation on that raw data. I hope you will like this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel